Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we take the Saint Laurent eyeglasses model SL337 in color code 001. The color of the frame is black. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a square shape. On its temple, you'll find the Saint Laurent logo. For both sides. The temples are also black. On its bottom left lens is the Saint Laurent Paris logo engraved. On its inner right temple is the Saint Laurent Paris logo, the serial number, and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 55 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Saint Laurent case, that magnetizes to close, a Saint Laurent black cleaning cloth, a Saint Laurent envelope, which holds Saint Laurent card of authenticity, and a Saint Laurent booklet, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.